legendary beat.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please kindly subscribe. In my previous video, I've done installation on cruise control. This is a 2010 Toyota Corolla LE and it's a base model. It doesn't have the steering wheel control button. It doesn't have cruise control. I did install everything in here. If you have not seen my video on that, please kindly check my channel. And I've gotten a lot of questions from people when I install the cruise control right here, that does it actually work? Yes, it does. It does work. And one of the great thing about having a cruise control in the car is if you drive on the highway, or if you're traveling, if you're driving in long distance, cruise control is your best friend, because this will help you take your foot off the gas pedal, and then you can just put the car to whatever speed you want to put it, and it's gonna keep going for you. So I've been using it on my daily commute. You know, I get on the highway almost every day of the week, and the cruise control has always been my friend. So I'm gonna take you on a drive and show you how this thing actually works. But before I do that, I want you to look at this button, the cruise control switch. There's a button at the side over here which says on and off. Before cruise can actually work, you need to turn this button on, and there's going to be a light that will appear right here, and you can see it has the cancel tap, it has the reset, and then set button. So when you turn your cruise control on by pushing the on button right here, and you are to convenient speed, what you want to do is to push this button down. You press the cruise down to set it, and what would disengage the cruise would be if you press your brake or you push the cancel button. It's gonna disengage the cruise. And if you have your cruise set, all you just have to do is take your leg off the gas and then let the car do its thing. So without much talking, I'm going to take you on a drive now and show you actually how the cruise control works.
His troops to stop marching toward Moscow. According to the Kremlin,
right now I'm on the highway, and you can see I'm heading to a location, listening to my CNN in the morning, and I'm on the highway. So to set the cruise control, if you're at the desired speed of like 80 miles an hour like I am right now, all you gotta do is to press the cruise button right here. Now you see the cruise control is on, and when the cruise control is on at your own desired speed, what my leg is still on the gas, what I want to do right now is to set the cruise. So at 80 miles per hour, I'm just gonna push the set button down here. I'm gonna pull it down, and once I put it down, take my leg off the gas. You can see it's still at 80 miles per hour, and my leg is off the gas. My leg is off the gas, it's still moving at 80 miles per hour, and my car is still moving on the highway. And this is how easy it is to set cruise control. 80 miles per hour is still on, my leg is off the gas, the cruise is working. So if you're traveling, cruise is your best friend. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much. See you some other time.